Hi guys, hope you're all doing amazing. In today's session, we are going to see name locators and how to find name locators and how to automate a component in UI with it. I would advise you to watch this session completely to understand the concept with complete clarity and context. Let's get started. Name locators is one of the 8 locators which Selenium 4 supports. We find the name locator with the help of name attribute which is present in HTML DOM. In Selenium, we decide the locator based on which attribute is present in the DOM, that is a document object model of the UI of the web page. I would like to remind you that only if there is a name attribute for the particular web element in the DOM, we can automate using name locator. Else, we cannot automate using name locator. We may have to go for other options in 8 locators which Selenium supports. Let us navigate to the OpenCart application. This is login page of the OpenCart application. My requirement is I need to automate this login part of this web application. To automate this login part, what do we need? We need to find the web element. We need to find the web element of email address. We need to find the locator of email address text field, and we have to perform some action on it. In this case, it is send keys, and we need to find the locator of password text field, and we need to perform action on it. The action is send keys, and next we have to find the locator of login button and we have to perform action on it. For login button, the action is click. Let's first inspect this web page. Right click on mouse, click inspect. DOM is displayed. This is DOM. I'm going here. Select an element in the page to inspect it. I'm clicking here. And first we have to find the locator of email address. Hence, let's focus the cursor on email address text field and click here. This is the JavaScript or HTML code of the email address text field. If we need to automate using name locator, what do we need to find? We have to find whether for the particular web element we have name attribute or not. For this email address text field, it starts the input tag. We have type attribute, name attribute, placeholder attribute, ID attribute, class attribute. Yeah, here we have name attribute. Hence, we can automate this email address text field with the help of name attribute. Let's capture the value of the name attribute, email. For time being, I'm keeping it here. Next, let's inspect the password text field. Yeah, this is the HTML or JavaScript code for the password text field. We have input tag, we have type attribute, we have name attribute, we have placeholder attribute, we have ID attribute, we have class attribute. Since we are going to automate using name locator, let's see whether we have name locator for this particular text field. Yeah, we have name locator for the particular text field, password. The attribute value is name and the value is password. Hence, I'm copying this value. For time being, I'm storing the values here. Next we need to automate this login. We have found email address locator, just name locator. We have found password locator, just name, which has name attribute in it. Hence, name locator is possible for login button. Let's check. I go here, click. This is the HTML code in the DOM for login button. It starts with the button tag. It ends with the button tag. We have type attribute. We have class attribute. And this is text. Here we don't have name attribute. Hence, this login button cannot be automated with hence this login button cannot be automated with name locator. It can be automated with other locators of one of 8 locators which Selenium supports. As I told in last session, it is very rare. Only in a rare case, we can automate a business flow with only one locator, that is name locator or ID locator. We need a combination of multiple locators to automate a business flow. That's why Selenium gives 8 locators. As of now, we cannot automate login button using name locator. Hence, let's automate email address and password with the name locator. Okay. So first, let me write the code to initialize browser with help of Selenium. What is the code? WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver. This code launches the browser. Then we have to navigate to this particular URL, that is login part of the OpenCart application. So I'm copying this link here and I'm pasting this in Eclipse. Yeah. This until this, what happens? It will launch the browser and it will navigate to the login URL. Next, we need to automate email text field and password text field. In Selenium, I would like to repeat once again. In Selenium, to automate anything, we have to first find the web element and next we have to perform action on it. I will write once again in Selenium. First, find the web element, then next perform action on it. Okay. Driver dot find element by dot name. See, Selenium has in this session we are going to only look after the name locator. The Selenium supports 8 locator. By dot name. What does it say? Parameters, the value of the name attribute to search for. By which locates element by the value of the name attribute. Okay. Here we have to pass the value of the name locator which we found in the URL. This is email. For email text field, it is email. You understood this, right? For email text field, it is email. I've just revised it once again. Just go to UI. See, email. We have name attribute. The value is email. That's what I'm providing it here as an input. Dot send keys. Let's say the email ID is testing 101 at the rate email.com. Just for example, guys. Next, we have to automate a password text field by dot name. We have already captured the value here. Password dot send keys 123 at the rate 123 hash. Okay, perfect. We cannot automate button with the help of name locator. Hence, we are not automating button for now. Let's run this program and let's see what is the output. Run as Java application. Let's see. Yeah, perfect. The input which I have given in the code is testing on gmail.com. Yeah. Yeah. We are able to automate this successfully. To automate any complete flow in a web application, that is login flow. For example, we need a combination of different locators to automate. Since login button doesn't have name locator, since login button does not have name locator, it has locators like it has class, but it does not have name locator. Hence, we have to go for other types of locators such as text or XPath or CSS selector or class locator to automate this login button. In this session, we are only going to learn about name locator. Hence, for the session, this is more than enough. If you found this video useful, please hit like button and subscribe button. Try this name locator concept hands-on from your Eclipse and from your system. Only if you try it from your system, only then you can improve your coding skills and automation skills. If you find any issues or any challenges which you are facing when trying to implement name locator, please write in the comment section below. I will definitely resolve your issue as soon as possible. And thank you so much for watching. All the best for your interview. Happy coding.